So let's take a look at EURJPY. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So when we take a look at this EURJPY, we would want to see what this price is actually playing out. So you can see at first there was a time that price actually came to the same level. We had a rejection. If you have been following this channel, you will know how we actually got this rejection. And there was a rejection here. There's one time I told you guys that I would be expecting a rejection. Anyway, price ended up, opening on Monday, thereby opening as a gap movement, and therefore price eventually dropped. So now that this price is at a level, what I'll be watching out for is actually a bullish move on EURJPY. So now let's down to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see on this 4-hour time frame, literally we would want to trade with what we see and not what we think. That is one of the rules of trading. What price is actually playing out is what you should go ahead and trade with. So when you take a look at this movement here, you see that this price is actually ranging. So that is exactly what I want us to actually do. We should actually range with this movement. At least let's take this buy movement to around this level, which is a level of 141.630. Like I'll repeat again, 141.630. That should be giving us about, that is about almost 100 pips, close to about 100 pips. So at least if you can grab that movement on EURJPY, that is still not bad, right? So you can see that this price is below this moving average. So you can be patient enough for this price to break above this moving average. Then you can go ahead and take your buy on EURJPY. So EURJPY, we are expecting or speculating for a bullish move. So if in case you are interested in any of my personal analysis, trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade, I'm going to put a link below in the comment section. It will take you to my Patreon channel, whereby I intend to put out trade that we believe that we have higher chances of winning. So basically, this week I've put out about 4, and 3 of those trade that we just that I've 3 out of these 4 that I've put out has actually got to our targets. The first trade was Euro AUD, the second trade AUD card, and this third one is natural gas. So these 3 has actually gotten to our targets that we'll be aiming for, right? So if in case you are interested in more of my analysis that I'll be putting out, check it in the comment section below. And I also put a link to my playlist for the trade that we will be trading or we've traded this week, so you can go ahead and watch it. So like I said, this EURJPY, I'm expecting a bullish move.